Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to speak English in a very common travel situation at the hotel check-in. This is a situation many people experience when traveling, so it's important to feel confident and comfortable. Let's start when you arrive at the hotel. You go to the reception desk, and the receptionist may say, "Hello, how can I help you?" You can reply, "Hello, I have a reservation," or "I booked a room under the name." The receptionist may ask, "Can I have your name, please?" or "Can I see your passport or ID?" You can respond, "Of course, here it is," or "Here is my passport." Now they may check your booking and say, "You have booked a room for 2 nights, or do you have a single room or a double room?" If you want to confirm details, you can ask, "Is breakfast included?" "What time is breakfast?" or "Is Wi-Fi free?" These are very common and useful questions. Now the receptionist may give you information such as, "Your room is on the 3rd floor, here is your key," or "Checkout is at 11 o'clock. If you need help, you can ask, "Is there a lift?" "Where is the elevator?" or "Can you help me with my luggage?" Now let's try a short conversation. The receptionist says, "Hello, how can I help you?" You say, "Hello, I have a reservation under the name Smith." The receptionist asks, "Can I see your ID, please?" You reply, "Yes, here it is." The receptionist then says, "Your room is on the 3rd floor. Here is your key," and you say, "Thank you." Here is a useful tip: always be polite and calm. Use expressions like please, thank you, and could you. For example, "Could you tell me what time breakfast is?" This sounds more natural and polite. So let's review. At a hotel check-in, you will say you have a reservation, give your name and ID, ask about services, and receive your room key. Before we finish, imagine this. You arrive at a hotel. What do you say? "I have a reservation, is breakfast included?" Thank you. If you can say these sentences, you are ready for real-life travel situations. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode.